Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make bread omelette. Very delicious and an instant breakfast recipe. This bread omelette is very healthy and protein rich breakfast recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, crack in an egg. To this add 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Beat the egg well using a fork or a spoon. You can also use a hand blender. Beat it well for 3 minutes until the egg is super fluffy. Now after 3 minutes of continuous beating, the egg is nice and fluffy. So let's go and make the bread omelette. Heat a pan, into this add a teaspoon of oil. Let the oil heat up a little. Keep the flame in medium till the end. Now the oil is hot. Add the beaten egg to the pan. Spread it well. Place 2 bread slices like this with equal spacing in the sides. Then sprinkle some chopped onions, green chilies, coriander leaves, some pepper powder and some chili powder. Let this cook for 30 seconds. Then tuck in the sides like this. Finally fold it in this way to seal all the sides. Now our egg is fluffy and cooked well, so off the flame and make cuts like this. Now our delicious bread omelette is ready. Serve it hot with some ketchup and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy and quick to make and a very healthy breakfast recipe. So do try this bread omelette recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.